Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Webull app. It's going to be a full in-depth review of it and everything that it includes. This video is going to be for someone that either is brand new to Webull or is considering switching to an account or just starting to invest. And before we do get into it though, please hit that like button, click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now just to do some background, it was created in 2017. And it was solely based off of making commission-free trading for everybody. Now most apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade, they've been out for a longer time, but Webull has become very established in the trading market. Now Webull does offer free stocks, which is pretty common now within a lot of these different trading apps and platforms, but Webull is much better with that because they give higher valued stocks and they give you more of them. If you sign up for Webull right now and you deposit $100, you can get a free stock valued up to $1,600. I have a link in my description below if you'd like to sign up. Also, I have a giveaway. I do it every month. I take all my Webull sign up referrals and I take that amount and I cut it in half and I give that part away. If you want to know more information about it, just check out the details in the description. So just like any other platform for trading, they do offer cash accounts and margin accounts. For those that don't know, a margin account is when you can trade against your securities. So pretty much the app gives you money to spend and you have to pay them back with interest. Whereas a cash account, it's all of your money in one spot, and once you trade with it, you have to wait for the money to settle. Now, just like Robinhood, they do offer level 2 market data, but it's much more cheaper than Robinhood. It's only $2 a month. The difference between level 1 and level 2 is that with level 1, you're only going to see the current bid and ask price in one spot, whereas level 2, you'll see the best 30. So you'll see a bunch of different trades happening at once, and it's really just there to help you make a better decision if you want to buy or sell a stock. So I want to break down certain categories that make Webull so great. So let's start off with their customer service. So I definitely think their customer service is really good. They do offer a phone line, but they also do offer email support as well. Some other platforms do have really good customer service as well, but when you compare it to customer service like Robinhood, I don't think you can really compare them. And for some of the basic issues, they have a help center with a bunch of FAQs to help you fix your issue. If that's not enough, then you just reach out and contact them. So the next part I want to get into is their watch list. Now I really like the way their watch list is laid out. It's just like any other app. You can move them around in different spots if you'd like. You can also change the price, the percentage, the movement, the market cap, pretty much everything that any other app can do. I just like that they show a little bit more information than some other apps. And the next part I want to get into is Webull's stock graphs. I think the way they have it laid out on their app, it gives you a lot of information all in one spot. Apps like Robinhood, I think, are lacking in that space. They tend to not show as much data and really just show where the stock price is on a chart, and that's kind of it. What's really cool is you can see the day's range, you can see the previous close price, you can see the trading volume of the day, and if you want to get even more technical, you can add things like the RSI and also SMA lines. And the list goes on from there. You can do a bunch of other things like draw on the graph. You can add other indicators as well. If you don't like the layout of the chart, you can change things like the chart candles. The list really goes on. There's just so many different features that you can change with it compared to some other apps. It's probably one of the best. If you compare it to something like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade though, they do have more sophisticated tools to use, of course. They are more established platforms. I think it's really good when you compare the size of the app compared to, a platform that's on a PC. You can also see the latest news on the company. If you go down to the news tab, I'll show you the most current and relevant news for that company. You can also check out the comment tab. You can see how many people are bearish, how many people are bullish on a stock. And also in that tab, you can see other people's comments and perspectives on the stock. They also have an analysis tab that will show you price predictions from analysts, whether they think it's a buy or a sell or a hold. And there's a lot more information if you want to go more technical on the analysis. You can also check out the press release tab. It'll show you things like the dividend, what the price is of it, when it's paid out, and the yield. It'll also show you things like who the CEO is of a company. And then a really nice feature of the stock screener is you can check out a company's financials. You can check out a bunch of different things on that tab, like their earnings, their income statements, and even their balance sheet. The next part I want to get into is just how easy it is to trade with the app. So pretty much just like every other app, Webull does support all different types of market orders, from limit orders to market orders to even stop loss orders. You could pretty much do anything you could do on any other app. Now that's just for trading the stock. If you want to get into the options of the stock, this is where it gets a little bit more technical. So what's really cool about Webull is you can see the current bid and ask. You can also see prior where the stock option was trading at, from a month ago to even just a few days before or the day of. They also offer a probability analysis, which is supposed to help you kind of guide where you think the option will go, if it'll be in the money or out of the money, and what percentage it's more likely to hit that price target. The next part I want to get into is their market tab. From here you can see all the markets that they support, like the US market and foreign markets, and they also support crypto. And just like Robinhood, they do offer top gainers and top losers, and you can check out the most active stocks based off of their trading volume. The last part I want to go over is their menu tab. From here you can do a bunch of different things. One of the things I want to go over is their alerts and how you can manage them. The alerts in Webull are really cool because you can set up a bunch of alerts for different stocks, whether they hit certain highs or lows. If you're just trying to keep out in case you want to buy it or not. What's nice about the alerts is that you can get notifications. So if you're not able to check out your stocks throughout the day, you'll just get a notification whether it hits that alert that you set up. Another cool thing about their menu is that you can check out their calendar that will show you all the different earnings that are coming out on different days. If you're just trying to find a new company or just check out someone's earnings, it's really cool, and it's nice that it's all in one spot. Now the last part I want to go over that's in the menu tab is paper trading. This is a super useful tool that Robinhood currently does not offer. Some platforms that do offer it, I believe, are E-Trade and TD Ameritrade. What paper trading is really used for is beginners that are trying to get into investing. It's a really good way to start getting into the market since all the money that you use in it is fake. You can do the exact same things that you can do while trading regularly on Webull, except all the money is fake. So you're pretty much trading with real data, and it's kind of just a simulation to help you become a better trader. I think it's really useful, and it's nice that they offer this with it. As Robinhood, they kind of amp you up to make it feel like it's such a good beginning trading app. But realistically, Webull is much better. It gives you a lot more information. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're still not really sure about what platform you want to choose, I do have a video, Robinhood versus Webull, that goes into some more information about Webull and also gives you information about Robinhood if you're still having a hard time. Also, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. Remember, I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, I have that monthly giveaway I mentioned before. If you want to know more information about it, just check the details in the description below.